Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I am Dr. Syed Adnan Khursheed from Sapiens. Today in this short video lecture, I'm going to explain briefly about the function of the liver for O and A-level biology students. As you are looking at the multimedia slide, the functions of liver are mentioned in a very well manner. But before we go through it, I just want you to look at this plastic model. Here you can see yourself, my dear students, the exact location of the liver in our body. You are looking at, as I mentioned before, this is diaphragm, and just below the diaphragm, this organ is called the liver. A typical structure of the liver actually present in a way in our body. You are looking at the other thing which you are looking at is this green color structure, which is gallbladder. This gallbladder is an area where bile juice is temporarily stored. The bile juice which is manufactured or made by this very important organ of our body, which is called liver. So my dear students, we are at the point that we are having a short brief lecture for the understanding of the function of the liver. As I said before, the very first function of the liver is the production of bile. Bile juice, which contains bile salts and certain bile pigments, are responsible for emulsification of the fats which are coming in small intestine. That is the first part of the duodenum. That is the first part of the intestine. Small intestine is the duodenum. There the bile juice emulsify the fats. After the emulsification, the lipases, pancreatic lipase and intestinal lipase, digest these fats into fatty acids and glycerol. My dear students, the second function of the liver is detoxification. Yes, it's a very important function performed by the liver. It detoxifies number of poisonous substances which are coming in our body intentionally or unintentionally. We are using certain food substances, some junks and some old substances. So certain number of poisonous things are present in our food. So those poisonous substances are detoxified by the liver. More than that, alcohols and other drugs which are abused by humans are also detoxified by the liver. For example, I'll give you a very important example. For example, a cigarette contains nicotine. You all know this very well. Let me tell you, smoking of two consecutive cigarettes gives you the enough dose of nicotine which is lethal, which can cause death of a human being. But fortunately, due to the functioning of liver, number of subjects which are smoking change